Want to convert WhatsApp voice messages into text effortlessly? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to transcribe WhatsApp audio in just a few simple steps. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. To transcribe a WhatsApp voice message, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Settings, and then tap on Chats. Scroll down and find Voice Message Transcripts. Tap Choose Language and select your preferred language. Now go back to your chat list and open the conversation with the voice message you want to convert. Long press the voice message, then tap the three-dot menu at the top right. Select Transcribe, and WhatsApp will instantly convert the voice message into text. The transcribed text will appear just below the audio message, making it super easy to read and share. And that's it. Now you can quickly transcribe WhatsApp voice messages anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.